Hello dear students, today I will tell you about horizontal rule tag, that is HR tag. The HR tag stands for horizontal rule. So this tag is used to insert a horizontal line in your web page. By default, the horizontal line appears shaded and spans the width of the browser. The attribute of HR are listed in the table given below. So let us read it one by one. First is attribute is size. So size attribute, this is used to specify the vertical size or the thickness of the horizontal line. The value is given in pixel. Alright. Just see, HR size is equals to 5. HR is the tag and size is the attribute, and we have given the value as 5. Alright. Next is width. To specify the length of the horizontal line, the value can be given in pixels or in percentage of the page width. Let's see the example. HR width is equals to 500. That means in pixel. Or HR width is equals to 70%. That is in percentage. Next, align. Same alignment. To specify the placement of the horizontal line on the web page, where you want to place your horizontal line on the web page. You can either place left or right or at the center by default. Alright. HR align is equals to center. Right. No shade attribute. To specify that the horizontal line should appear as a solid strip across the page rather than a shaded strip. So HR no shade. Next is color. To specify the color of the horizontal line. What color you want in the horizontal line. So for that you will use color attribute. HR color is equals to blue. This will display a line blue in the web page. Let us study through an HTML code. See, HTML tag, head tag, title tag. In title we have written monuments, title tag close, head tag close, then starts body tag. This is what? This is H1. This is head. This is what? Heading. Heading 1. Okay. The largest heading. H1 alignment is center. Famous places of the world. H1 close. Alright. Then we have written HR. Horizontal line will be there. HR tag. We have used. Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India, and HR size is equals to 5. Giza Pyramid and the Great Sphinx near Cairo, Egypt are a symbol of high culture of dynastic ancient Egypt. HR size is equals to 5, no shade. It will be the Great Wall of China is really an amazing landmark and today the most celebrated symbol of China. HR size is equals to 5. Color is equals to blue. Colosseum, Rome, Italy is an iconic symbol for Rome, the eternal city. HR size is equals to 5. Color is equals to blue. Width is equals to 50%. Align is equals to center. Petra in Jordan is carved in the rock. HR size is equals to 5. Color is equals to blue. Width is equals to 50%. Align is equals to left. Then body tag close. HTML tag close. Now let us see the output of it. Alright. See. This monument is written in the title bar because we have placed this monument text in the title tag. Then start famous places of the world. Right? It was heading 1. It came in heading 1. Default horizontal line. Alright. Next is Taj Mahal is a white marble. Before that we have used one horizontal line. Right? And after that again we used one horizontal line with thickness 5. Next, Giza Pyramid and Great Sphinx near Cairo, Egypt are a symbol of the high culture of dynastic ancient Egypt. Right? We use this horizontal line with thickness 5 and no shading, right? Then the Great Wall of China is really an amazing landmark, and today the tests are written, and again we have used an horizontal line and we have given the color as blue. Color is equals to blue, so that's why this horizontal line is of blue color and thickness 5. Colosseum, Rome, Italy is an iconic symbol for Rome, the eternal city. This horizontal line with thickness 5, color blue, width 50% of the page and centered align. Next, Petra in Jordan is carved in the rock. This horizontal line with thickness 5, color blue, width 50% of the page and left aligned. Understood? So this is for today. Thank you.